Welcome to another video. Hope everyone's doing alright and that. This time no cooking, I'm in my corner, because you might have seen by my thumbnail, I'm making some changes to my channel. I just thought, well, I'll sit down, have a cuppa, and I'll go through them with you. So absolutely fantastic. So grab yourself a cuppa, put your feet up, I'm going to play my jingle, then we'll get stuck into it. Fantastic. Just a quick video of this one, just to let you know some changes I'm going to be making to the channel. Absolutely fantastic. But before I get stuck into it, I'd just like to thank everyone who's ever watched a video on Joe Cooks and Stuff, everyone who subscribed, everyone who made a comment and that. Absolutely fantastic. I love reading them all. I know my videos are a little bit rough, a little bit long-winded, and I'm not really a cook, but fantastic. We're getting by, we're getting by. But anyone who's watched my channel for a while know I like to make other types of content, walking videos, model videos, bike rides, anything like that. Anything that takes me fancy, I'll have a go at. And I did set a second channel up called Joe Does This and That, primarily for them type of videos. And I collected 60 subscribers. Fantastic. I thought the videos were great, mate. Like some of the walking videos are a bit long and boring, but that's just me. But it's just not getting found. The channel is not getting picked up anywhere. You can type into YouTube search, Joe Does This and That, and nothing comes up, nothing comes up. So after a load of considerations and that, and a bit of humming and hawing, I've decided to merge the channels back together again. I did originally start with one channel, and it was never ever meant to be a purely cooking channel. It was meant to be bits of everything, really, like bits of whatever took me fancy. But I love messing about in the kitchen. I love messing about in the kitchen. I love coming up with stuff. I'm not a cook. I like to show that anyone can have a go in the kitchen. But I really want to spice the channel up, put some extra content in, different content, some visits to places and that, walks, bike rides. I've learned to fly a drone. I put myself back on the road after 20 years so I can get to these places where otherwise would be inaccessible to us and that. And yeah, I think we've got a little bright future. Another project I've got lined up is I've got a room in me flat that's spare. I'm going to turn it, on a tight budget mind, I'm going to turn it into a dedicated YouTube hobby type room. So we can do the model videos, we can do any type of projects we want in there. It's big enough to do some pretty good stuff. So I'm going to be making a few videos about pulling it together and that and building it up and that. I'll be looking for suggestions and things I can put in there and that. The food videos will still be coming. They won't be as frequent, but they will be still there and that. I'm going to try and include some food reviews when I go to events and things like that. Absolutely fantastic. And yeah, let's see how we get on with this one. So, I know every video is not going to be for everyone. Just watch the ones that you like. Don't watch the ones that you don't like. Absolutely fantastic, but you never know until you watch it if you're going to like it or not. So, yeah, I'm going to kick it off with the Boston Car Show 2024. That's going to be the video that brings it all together. I'm going to put that up either tomorrow or the next day. Absolutely fantastic. And yeah, there's a little food review in there, so we're not escaping food altogether. But yeah, welcome to the new Joe Cooks and Stuff. Bit of everything, bit of everything. So have yourself a great week. Thanks for hearing us out. And I'll see you on the next video, which will be the car show video. It's a cracker, this one. Absolute cracker. So I'll see you there. Ta-da.